today I'm going to show you how to make an inexpensive rod leash for your fishing rods while you're on your kayak. Let me show you some of the things that you'll need. Some phone cord. Got this real cheap, I believe on Amazon. It was just a couple bucks. Carabiners. Pick these up pretty much at any hardware store. Some people just got them laying around their house. And then you need a small carabiner. This is the style that I got right here. Got it from Menards. This is to hook on the flush mount rod holders. And the big one is for your rod. You're going to need some heat shrink. Possibly. Not sure about that yet, but we'll see. Electrical tape, for sure. Wire cutters. A lighter. And a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I got everything prepared. Here's your heat shrink, cut off 2 pieces like that. They may need to be smaller, but that should be a pretty good size. I also cut a piece of the phone cord as well. So, let's get started. What you need to do is put your phone cord through and kind of unravel it a little bit. Like that. Just to kind of eyeball it up. Once you got that eyeballed up, like that, take your heat shrink, put that on, and get it down there a ways. Take your phone cord, like that, and walk that heat shrink up those 2 pieces of phone cord, like so, leaving yourself a little bit exposed like that, and you'll see why in a minute. So now that you got that set up like that, we're going to heat that up and tighten it down. So you want to pinch that end right there so that heats up real nice and gets nice and small. Watch your fingers, don't burn yourself. It's kind of hard to do if you're by yourself. Very hard to do if you're by yourself. But you got to make do. Try to keep it flat together inside there the best that you can. And the quicker you can get this done, the better off you're going to be. Alright, so I personally got some pretty expensive rods, so I don't like just trusting the heat shrink. So I reinforce it with a little electrical tape. Maybe it's overkill, but I don't want to lose a rod. So you tell me. You guys make the decision. That's where that piece comes in that I left out. Fold that over. Doesn't have to look pretty. It's just got to serve its purpose. So there's the end that you're going to hook onto your rod holder on your kayak. Do the same thing with the other end and you'll be good to go. Again, doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to work. Here you go. Got yourself a rod leash, cheap and expensive rod leash for your kayak. Thanks for watching, and as always, fish on.